Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Comfylab Tinnilaser, a device claiming to be the world's first 650 nanometer red light therapy that magically cures tinnitus by fixing the root cause. It promises complete silence in just 21 days, along with better sleep and a sudden surge in social confidence. Because apparently, shooting a laser into your ear is the one secret trick hearing aid companies hate. They even say you'll save thousands, which sounds amazing until you realize that silence might just be the sound of your money disappearing. The first major red flag comes from actual customers who report that the device is either faulty or flat out dead on arrival. When these brave souls tried to use the 60-day money-back guarantee, they were met with total radio silence from customer support. It turns out the guarantee is about as real as a unicorn's birth certificate. Then there are the certifications. The company boasts about being FDA cleared, CE marked, and ISO approved, yet there isn't a single shred of proof to back any of it up. I guess medical grade is just a fancy term for we bought this off a random factory line. It gets better. They claim to have been featured on CNN Health and ABC News, but searching for those segments is like looking for a needle in a haystack, if the needle didn't exist. Those as seen on badges are basically just digital stickers they found in a clip art folder to trick you into trusting them. And let's not forget their resident expert, Dr. Robert Mitchell. His photo is so clearly AI generated that he probably has 6 fingers on one hand and dreams in binary. Nothing says, "Trust me with your health," like a doctor who was birthed by an algorithm. Finally, we have the classic high-pressure sales tactics. The website screams 54% off and only 19 left in stock, while claiming they know a secret that 99% of doctors don't. Because clearly, your local physician just hasn't spent enough time on sketchy websites with countdown timers. With fake doctors, imaginary media coverage, and non-existent customer service, the Comfylab Tinnilaser is a textbook example of a scam.